Today, I'm buying one of my favorite supercars.
This is not merely a factory. It is a sanctuary for speed. Aeroscrate engineering meets precision, tracking its evolution to a weapon of performance. Powertrain marries the monocoque. The glass is sealed. Software flashes, electronics light up. A machine becomes a living thing. The final gate is the road. Every test is a pass or fail event. This data ensures every vehicle meets the same standard. Speed is the result of a power-to-weight equation that favors the driver. The high-revving engineering choice provides Linnet's Metinius internals to one goal: velocity. The price is not for the brand. It is for the R&D that goes into a platform built for no other car. It is for the materials, the carbon fiber, the titanium, the bespoke hide, a machine born of fire and raw human ambition. This stands as a monument to what is possible, leaving only the echo of its 10,000 RPM howl. Before 1966, high-performance sports cars were traditionally front-engined Grand Tourers. Lamborghini changed everything with the Miura.
By mounting a massive V12 engine transversely directly behind the driver, they created the world's first mid-engine production supercar. This layout optimized weight distribution and set the template that
Lamborghini doesn't just buy carbon fiber, they invent it. They have been at the forefront of composite research for over 40 years, pioneering techniques like forged composites.
This is not merely a factory. It is a sanctuary for speed. Aeroscrate engineering meets precision, tracking its evolution to a weapon of performance. The Temerario represents the next phase. Engineers faced a brutal challenge: how to retain the savage soul of a supercar. They chose to redefine it. Aerodynamics dictates the shape of everything. Wind tunnel testing data, and in data, the body was sculpted to manage airflow with surgical precision. Air splits at the front splitter, diving into cooling ducts. This is not about creating a drag coefficient. It is about manipulating physics to stay glued to the road. This method uses a paste of chopped carbon fibers, pressed under immense hydraulic pressure, to forge complex, ultralight components. Developed with partners like Boeing and MIT, Lamborghini qualifies as the best because of its ability to make massive, heavy mechanical forces defy the laws of physics. They achieve this through a highly synchronized ecosystem of active hardware. This system routes air through the wing to stall downforce on straights, or closes them to pin the car in corners. It even features aerovectoring, loading inner wheels during cornering. The monocoque is the spine of the machine. The material is vacuum-bagged and cured inside a massive autoclave. Heat and pressure fuse the resin. The finished piece is lightened with a finger, yet it must withstand immense G-forces. A masterpiece of mechanical violence, carved with microscopic tolerances. This is the ultimate V8. The hot V layout contracts extreme heat. Revving to 10,000 RPM demands absolute precision. 3 electric motors work in tandem with the V8. Exploded animations show the motors positioned. The power electronics sit. It provides an immediate surge of power. Machined from high-strength steel, then hardened to survive.
Lamborghini utilizes a central electronic brain. It's called the Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo. It pulls real-time data from 6-axis to adjust steering and suspension simultaneously, all in milliseconds.
While the industry downsized to standard V6 layouts, Lamborghini spent hundreds of millions adapting high-cylinder engineering to the hybrid era.
The Rewrote pairs a re-engineered V12 with 3 electric motors. The Temerario utilizes a flat-plane crank V8. It screams to an unprecedented 10. Software executes shifts in milliseconds. The 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox is a study in heat treatment and wear resistance. Gears are machined from high-strength steel, dual clutches with software that executes in milliseconds.
Suspension arms are forged aluminum. They connect to Magnaride dampers. The fluid changes viscosity. Robotic assembly lines bolt these in place. Torque tools log every fastening. When the car hits a bump, it reacts with intelligence.
A vehicle can be mechanically perfect, but a Lamborghini must be visually unforgettable. Their design house, Centro Steel, regularly takes home the highest accolades. Motoring
Recently, their hybrid hypercar, the Fenomeno, won the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best award. Its design strips away non-functional paneling, using every crease to slice air resistance.
Ultimately, Lamborghini is considered the best because they refuse to treat performance a sterile equation. They combine absolute top-tier aerospace materials with raw, emotional theater.
The factory floor gives way to silence. This is luxury at its absolute peak. Master artists stitch panels by hand. Every dial is fitted to ensure perfection. Powertrain marries the monocoque. The glass is sealed. Software flashes, electronics light up. A machine becomes a living thing. The final gate is the road. Every test is a pass or fail event. This data ensures every vehicle meets the same standard. Speed is the result of a power-to-weight equation that favors the driver. The high-revving engineering choice provides Linnet's Metinius internals to one goal: velocity. The price is not for the brand. It is for the R&D that goes into a platform built for no other car. It is for the materials, the carbon fiber, the titanium, the bespoke hide, a machine born of fire and raw human ambition. This stands as a monument to what is possible, leaving only the echo of its 10,000 RPM howl.
Sub-micron accuracy. She'll spin safely to 10,000.
Watch how the air splits. It channels under the chassis, creating a massive vacuum. This snaps the car onto the road.
Precision is the only way to ensure that this dashboard looks perfect. It takes time, but every single stitch must be aligned exactly right.